In this video, I'm going to show you how to secure your Axiom account. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. You will not regret it. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins. It's packed with a lot of different premium features that are completely for free, such as an amazing wallet tracker, a Twitter tracker, a great polls and P&L tracker. They have a reward system which gives you Solana back just for trading. They can also offer you to trade perpetuals. You can use their turbo mode for faster fills and transactions. You can set your own presets down here for both buy and sell settings, where you can set your own slippage, priority, and bribe fees. You can use RPCs, choose their filters over here, which are just great, etc. So again, link down below, make sure you check it out. So to actually secure your Axiom account, there's one way of doing this from the recent update. You want to click on your account, top right over here, and then click on account and security. On here, just below your user ID, you'll be able to see your mail over here. So that's usually going to be already connected. If it's not, just click on it. And then the second one is going to be this connect email. So the first one is Google. The second one is email. Click on connect email. Then you're going to have to perform a security check. And it says linking a new authentication method. Do not verify if you're not linking a new account. You can add in your wallet address. So we can basically just connect your email and also connect your wallet. You can click over here. It's going to connect your wallet over here and add another authentication method. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.